Welcome to the discussion Income from House Property under section 22 to 27. My name is Dr. Devipian, Assistant Professor, Center for Distance Education, Shivaji University, Kolhapur. Here we are going to discuss Unit 2nd, Computation of Taxable Income, where we specially focus on income from house property under section 22 to 27. This part concerned with MCOM part first semester, first optional paper, Group C, Advanced Accountancy, paper 4, Taxation. Outline of the discussion: introduction of income from house property, basic charges, how we may charge, types of house property, computation of gross annual value, step of calculation of annual value, computation of income under the head, income from house property, and finally we want to conclude this discussion. Learning objective of income from house property: to conferenced when the income is chargeable under the head income from house property, to determine annual value of different categories for house property, to compute income from house property for different categories of house property. You may refer syllabus for the detailed content of this discussion. Introduction of income from house property. The process of computation of income under the head income from house property start with the determination of annual value of the property. The annual value of any property comprising of building or land appurtenant thereto, of which the assessee is the owner, is chargeable to tax under the head income from house property. Or if property used for business or profession, then income charged under head income from profit or gain from business profession. Basic charges charged under section 22 to 27. The annual value of any property comprising of building or land appurtenant thereto, of which the assessee is the owner, is chargeable to the tax under the head income from house property. Income from house property considered as property should be consist of any building or land appurtenant thereto. Assessee must be owner of the property. The property may be used for any purpose but should not be used by the owner for the purpose of any business or profession carried on by him or profit of which are chargeable to tax. Property held stock in trade. All this property we may consider for the calculation of income from house property. Types of property: we may classify types of property: let out property and self-occupied property. Then how we can calculate the GAV, NAV and income from house property. GAV we should calculate for the let out property. Self-occupied property there is nil, less municipal tax, we want to deduct municipal for tax from the let out property. Self-occupied property there is nil. The net annual value we want to consider for the let out property, and self-occupied property purpose there is nil. Then less standard deduction, then less interest on borrowing capital, and finally we get income from house property which is taxable. Detailed formula for the calculation of GAV, that is gross annual value. First of all we want to consider municipal value, then fair rent value, whichever is higher, we want to consider for the calculation of GAV. Then we want to consider standard rent if applicable and reasonable. Then finally we want to calculate reasonable expected rent, that is lower of higher of municipal value or fair rent and standard rent, whichever is lower we want to consider as a reasonable expected rent. Then annual rent, we want to consider total rent, assume the property to be let out throughout the previous year. Finally we want to deduct unrealized rent as per rule 4. Then finally we want to calculate actual rent, where is after deduction, then higher of the reasonable expected rent, then deduction. Finally we want to calculate GAV. Step for calculation. Step 1, first of all we want to calculate reasonable expected rent, then actual rent receivable. We want to consider unrealized rent. Then we want to focus step for calculation of GAV. Step 3, loss by the rent because of vacancy period. In this way we may calculate GAV. Then computation of income under the head income from house property. First of all we want to consider GAV, gross annual value, less municipal tax paid during the year. Then we get net annual value less standard deduction at 30% of NEV under section 24A, then less interest on loan under section 24B, then add recovery or unrealized rent under section 25AA. Then we get income from house property before considering arrears of interest, then add arrears of interest received less deduction under section 25B, 30% of arrears received. Then we get net income from house property. Finally we want to conclude this discussion. Herewith we consider introduction of house property, basic charges, types of house property, computation of gross annual value, step for the calculation of GAV, and finally we may consider how we can compute the income under the head income from house property, which is taxable. You may refer books which is mentioned in syllabus, and if you have any doubt please contact me. My name is Dr. Devi PN, Assistant Professor, Center for Distance Education, Shivaji University, Kolhapur. Mobile number 9049081926. Email ID is there, paresh84jan@reditmail.com. Thank you.